Good morning to all teachers and elders. I here to talk about Rabindranath Tagore. He was a great Indian poet, philosopher and painter. He born in Jaishankar at Kolkata 7th May in 1861. He got his proper education and knowledge with various subjects at home by the private teachers. He went to England in 1878 to study law. He returned. He started his career poet and writer. He translated his work Geetanjali into English during the time when he was in England. He honored with the Nobel Prize for Geetanjali. He became the first Indian who received the Nobel Prize. He always also composed our national anthem titled as Jana Gana Mana. Rabindranath can compared with Rabindranath himself. Rabindranath his with no more us, but his ideas and ideas will continue and impress, encourage whole humanity. The day come. He died 7th August in 1941 in Kolkata before India's independence. Thank you to all. Happy Independence Day.
Good morning to all. I am Kevina. Independence Day is celebrated in India every year on 15th August with great joy and happiness. India became Independence Day from British rule on 15th August 1947. Then this day is celebrated as Independence Day. India was under British rules around 200 years. The great freedom fighters devoted their entire life for the freedom of our country. Today we are living free India because of their sacrifice. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Good morning to all. I am talking about Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He was one of the hero of the Indian freedom struggle. He was born on 23rd January 1897, Cuttack, Odisha. Brilliant student. He passed a civil service exam. He founded Indian National Army to fight against British rule. He was a freedom fighter. He was to Germany and Japan to help for his army, but he was in the he gave his the slogan Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, respect principal sir, teachers and all the guests. I am Sam Anthony from class grade 3. Today I am here to give a speech on Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru or Chacha Nehru as we fondly call him. Chacha Nehru was a great freedom fighter. He was also very close to Mahatma Gandhi. He took part in many freedom struggles, fighting for the rights of poor and needy. When India gained independence, he was chosen as its first Prime Minister of India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889. He was born in Allahabad. Motilal Nehru was his father. He was a great lawyer. Jawaharlal Nehru got his early education at home. He went to England for higher studies. He returned to India in 1912. Later he became a lawyer. He gave up his practice and joined the freedom movement under the Mahatma Gandhi. He was totally involved in India's freedom movement. He was sent to jail several times. In 1947, did India became free? He was elected the first Prime Minister. His birthday on celebrate as Children's Day. He will be always remember the contribution in the freedom struggle and the first Prime Minister of India. Thank you.
Good morning to all my teachers, parents, and dear my friends. I am Sarvesh. I am in 3rd class. Today we are celebrating our Independence Day. I wish you all happy Independence Day. India got independence on 15th August 1947 from British rule. We got independence with help of many national leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Lokmanya Tilak, and Rabindranath Tagore, and many other freedom fighters. So we must respect all of them. Okay, let's see about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is father of our nation. Mahatma Gandhi was the great national leader. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on Porbandar, Gujarat. He was born on 2nd October 1869. Gandhi was married to Kasturiba, ages 13. Gandhi was a great lawyer. Gandhi guided many freedom struggles and launched the Quit India movement. Gandhi sacrificed everything in his life. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind. Thank you. Good morning to all, the respected principals and teachers and all my friends. My name is Susa Sattigan. I am third standard, SBS International School at Tittrepundi. Today my speech in Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi born on 2nd October 1869. Is Porbandar in Gujarat. His father name is Karamchand Gandhi. His mother name is Putlibai. He was greatest leader of India. He was truthful and honest man. He was great freedom fighter. Mahatma Gandhi was simple man with great words. Mahatma Gandhi was complete steady in England. His way of struggle very different from other leaders. Satyagraha, non-violence, main principle of life. His death on January 30, 1948. Thank you. Jai Hind.